You may have heard of the attachment theory, but what about autistic attachment? Let's talk about what it is, how it affects people, and how it can be managed. Autistic attachment is this phrase used to explain how people diagnosed with autism interact with other people. Oftentimes, it looks very different. They attach to people, they form relationships very differently. Sometimes it looks like not having much of an emotional connection at all. Other times, it's having almost a hyper-vigilant focus on another person. So if they get hurt, all of a sudden, they're running to them and they can't focus on anything else until that person is taken care of. A lot of people are relating the insecure attachment style to autistic attachment, but they're two very different things. With an insecure attachment style, it's often learned and intentionally pursued, whereas autistic attachment is just a way to describe how people with autism are trying to relate to other people in the world, and they're really focused on trying to make it work, even though they do relate to people differently. There's no deception, there's no intentional running away, so while they look similar, they are different. So if you're noticing this autistic attachment in your kiddo, how can you manage it? There are a lot of apps and fun games that actually teach emotional regulation skills. You can also practice interactions with people with your kid. So helping them know what to expect in relationships or in conversations can be really helpful. How do you see autistic attachment in your kiddo? Drop a comment, let us know.
Did that help you understand the term? If yes, give us a thumbs up or subscribe below. If it didn't, then leave us a comment and tell us why. What are we missing? We always want to do better. This is a project by Goalie. Check us out at getgoalie.com.